Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today we are checking into Loews Royal Pacific Resort right here on the property of Universal Orlando. We're going to give you a full room tour. This particular room, two queen beds, pool view. Come on in, check it out. So the room we are staying in today, guys, is 3518. As we enter together here on Medling World, want to ask everybody, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. As we go through the tour of this room, we will also, at the end of the tour, in the same vlog, give you a full review. Yes. So you get both, best of both worlds. That's the style on Medling World. So what's kind of neat about this, you know, when you come in, so here's the door, just to let you know, you kind of have almost like this little entry area, which kind of expands the room a little bit, and I really like that. You have an overhead light right there. We're going to start right over here to the left. We have a bathroom. I love the mirror in here. Yeah, don't forget, this is kind of like a Polynesian vibe, as Roberta. Listen, if it's your first time watching, this is how we do it. We have the family. We come in just like you guys would as a family, and we check out the room, and we show you everything. These nice sconce lights, Roberta.
Yeah, so this one.
Yeah, so all of your switches are right there.
Yeah.
We got the makeup mirror, which also lights up.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got the magnifier on one side. Yeah. There is a outlet here for your hair dryer, which is located right underneath with the towels. Linens there. Don't forget, call for extra linens if you would like. And you can use this also so you had an electric razor or charging on the device. Just be careful because right here there is a sink. It's a single sink. We do not have the dual sinks here. This resort built, or opened I should say, 2002. But I like this. A little extra amenities here. This is a signature resort. You also get express pass when you check in here.
Yes, express is good for the
but
check-in day and check-out day as well. So
yeah, yes. Until the minute. You can come here 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. Even if your room's not ready, they will give you that key that you can go over to the park. These are little touches at signature resorts. You get actual glass. Okay, just wanted to point that out. Now we're going to make our way over here into the bathroom. It does have the sliding door. And behind me, a full-length mirror where you can see this beautiful couple enjoying the 4th of July.
Yeah, and Jake is over there.
And Jake's over there relaxing. Which, he's 13. He should be, right? I mean, he's 13 on summer break, Roberta. Yeah. Here's our toilet. You got a trash can right there. Couple rolls of paper. I know a lot of people don't think much about this, but most of the time, you don't get that extra one on the side. You got to like go find it.
Go find it, yes.
This one does have a shower curtain and liner, which is not preferred, I think, at this point in time for 2025. But because of the date of the hotel, they would actually have to pull all these tubs out and redo the entire bathroom to put a door in there, I would imagine. So it is what it is. I'm not saying it's a negative or a positive. For us, it is a negative. We like it a little bit with the door. But anyway, you have your control there. The nice thing is, though, if you do have children, you can give them a bath. Yeah. You have your shower head here, which actually does have some of the different options for your water pressure. Yeah. They have the amenities included. Don't forget, if you have a preference, this is what you're going to get if you come here. So I know Roberta likes certain shampoos that she uses. So don't forget that. There is a clothesline here also that you can use. That would go across and connect, except we don't see the connection.
I think it's just this one specific.
Yeah, probably just missing here. There's a hook.
That's only one though.
Actually, that hook From my experience staying in a lot of resorts, you can
Yeah.
hang your towel right there.
Yeah.
So when you come out of the shower, you're not like trying to reach everywhere.
Yeah.
I do like that hook.
But it's only one though.
It's only one.
Yeah.
That's your bath mat. That's your bath mat there. Don't be like Jake and throw a face cloth down and think it's a bath mat as we come out. Guys, we're having fun here. This is how we vlog. We keep it light and we just have a good time. You're going to get all the details you need from Medling Roll. We got an iron right there. We have extra linens if you need it. We have hangers. You have your... Do you know those are specifically male and female hangers? This is a trivia question. Somebody in the comments let me know which ones are for males and which ones are for females. I only know this because I've worked in the hospitality industry for over 20 plus years, specifically in hotels, in various positions. There's a luggage rack, full size ironing board, and a safe that you can utilize. As we come through here, you're going to find your thermostat here. This one, at least, does not have the floor air conditioning unit. This one is more centralized where you're going to have that nice cold air blowing out of there. I say that because we just stayed at Caribbean Beach and they still had the old school one on the floor. That was not good. Let's spin this back around so we can continue on this tour. Nice TV here. You got your remote. Let's take a look at the refrigerator.
Just be careful.
I like to call this is the 1993 refrigerator. It's very small. It's not the greatest, but it will hold and it will keep your beverage cold enough.
So this one.
We got your coffee service here.
Yeah.
Looks like a Keurig, Roberta.
Yeah, which we'll be using soon.
That is all complimentary.
Ice
You
bucket.
got your ice bucket, some more glass,
and
different
Sugar,
sugars and non-sugar if you need Splenda, things like that. There is a charge for these Fuji waters if you're going to decide to drink those. They are
Fuji, there's, I don't know.
Yeah, okay, guys.
Yeah.
I grew up in Connecticut.
Yeah.
Northeast part of the state. I get a lot of comments. You said this wrong, you said that wrong. I didn't say it wrong to me because up there we have our own, you know, Roberta, you can relate to this, okay? When you come from different areas, you say things different.
Yeah.
Of you coming from Brazil.
I say things wrong all the time. Yeah.
And it's not that, I'm not trying to say something wrong to you guys. You can correct me, it's fine,
It's
and
okay.
I accept that, but when I say it, that's the way that we say it where I'm from.
Yeah.
So.
All the way my brain tells me the way.
Yeah. So.
But, yes.
It's just the way it goes, guys. We're a fun channel, man. Please subscribe.
I was going to say, we can try to fix it, but.
It's all good. We're going to move right across here. You have a nice, beautiful artwork there. I like a little bit of artwork in my room because it just kind of makes you say, oh, yeah, because then I look over there. Yeah, that matches up because this is a beautiful, beautiful view of the pool.
We have the in-room dining.
Some of the different amenities here you're going to
Yeah.
find at a signature resort, including in-room dining.
Oh, so this one, they have both. They have dry cleaning and laundry.
Oh, very good.
Yeah. So it's explanatory. Okay. So the laundry, tower 1 and 2, and on the second floor are tower 3. Okay.
Now, there are 3 towers,
First
I
floor.
believe,
So first floor on tower 1 and 2, and the second floor on tower 3.
for the laundry.
The laundry.
Excellent.
But they dry clean 7 days a week. So if they close the receive prior 8 a.m., we would drop it off back by 7 p.m.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is just a...
Oh, that's cool. So this is for specific things there.
Oh,
You can
okay.
put it for recycle.
Of course, now, you know, with much more education of our earth, lots of the resorts do incorporate recycling. What's nice here, too, though, is you have some options with your outlets. That one right there is a USB. Then you have a couple standard outlets there. And it looks like on the other side is the same exact thing.
Talking about that, I'm gonna have
It is nice to have a desk, though. And this is an independent light. We're just going to work right across. You have your curtains here. These are block blackout curtain, so it will stay very dark in the room. Look at the views, though. You can see the whole. You can see the park from here. I can see that's Royal. No, that is Sapphire Falls. Very neat. I believe that's Sapphire Falls. Correct me if I'm wrong. Jake modeling the chair here as he puts his feet on the table.
I thought that was a shoe rest.
Yeah.
And then there's another overhead lamp right above there.
It's conveniently.
I really like the wallpapering back here, which is pretty cool for the theme. The beds look really nice. They're queen beds. These lights are really cool. The room is themed nicely. Drawer there. It's got like a mirror. More outlets. There's a lot of outlets in this room. You gotta actually, we do have a clock. Clocks sometimes now not always in the rooms. Working our way back around. Oh, there's another thing I wanted to show you. Each bed does have these really cool like reading lights.
Pointer lights.
Jake's got his shining over there. There's that one, and you can just kind of position it any way you want. Shine it down there. That's pretty cool. And then you have a full-length mirror right here. And another very cool-looking piece of art. So now that we did the tour of the room, guys, what we're going to do is, in vlog time 2 seconds, we're going to review this entire room. We're going to let you know if there was noise in here, if we had problems with air conditioning, if we could hear music out at the pool, whatever it is, bad or good. We're going to review this entire room so that if you decide to stay at this resort, you can kind of have an idea of what to expect right now. And just like that, guys, it's time for our room review. As you can see out there, looks like some rainy. It's been a rainy couple days, but anyway, let's get right into the room review. Let me spin around the camera here, guys, so we can see Roberta and Jake. And yes, we did stay. We just stayed a night. I would like to hear what Roberta has to say first. Roberta, what do you got?
I like the room. I like that I have a desk.
Yeah, the desk was definitely a plus. We mentioned that.
It's a
Well,
good
probably in our
closet.
regular vlog we did.
Good size closet.
Yeah.
It has drawers if you need it to. The fridge was good. No noises. I didn't hear any noise.
No.
The shower I didn't have much pressure. I felt like the shower was like need more pressure in the shower. But besides that, bed was good. Besides,
Beds were good, and they have. It's the first time I noticed. I didn't notice at the other signature resorts. They had like some feathered pillows in this bed.
I'm guessing that somebody probably requested and they never change it back.
Maybe.
But
That was a bonus.
yeah, I like the bed.
Yeah, the bed was nice.
So
How about
I like the desk because I could.
well, the desk, because we do have sometimes we work with our computer when we're.
Which, by the way, if we had too many days without videos, it's because the computer did not help us.
No, the computer's been glitching a bit since we got this new camera. We're trying to get it worked out. It'll be all right though. Jake, what about you? How'd you feel about the room?
Well, there's no ceiling fan to start off. The shower's a little claustrophobic.
Yes.
And the mattress is nice, but the pillows aren't that good.
Jake
Took
did
me
have.
like 2 hours to go to sleep.
I heard Jake twisting and
Yeah.
tossing, and he's usually a kid, right, Jake? You know, you usually lay down because you go so hard. You lay down, you're usually asleep. But I heard him a lot during the night, kind of tossing and turning. So I don't think Jake had a great
He had
sleep.
2 different pillows. That's probably why. So he probably picked the one that.
Yeah.
No.
But these are some of the things. This is why we like to do. Excuse me, guys. This is why we like to do a room review. And we're Medling World, as you can see. We're a family. We show you exactly what's going on, as you can see. Mom educating Jake about the pillows. I'll throw my 2 cents in. I really thought the room was really nice. I did. I liked the room. I was comfortable in the room. I liked over here, this little chair over here by the window was kind of cool. You could kind of just chill like this and look out. I loved the view, and plus over there, as you can see, the park. I just thought it was very, very nice. I really enjoyed the room quite a bit. Yeah, I don't particularly care for the old school showers like that have the shower liner and the curtain. There was some water that gets out.
Yeah.
It is. Jake's right. It's, you can tell the age of a hotel when you walk into the bathroom and if it has a tub or a walk-in. Now, tubs are convenient for a lot of people that have children and they want to give them a bath, and I get all that. I personally worked in the hotel industry for a while. In the casino I worked in, we had Foxwoods Casino, shout out. We had 3 different, at the main casino, we had 3 different resorts. And you could tell as the original resort was built up until the final resort was built, the change, especially in bathrooms. Bathrooms have changed a lot. You're not going to find tubs, usually, much anymore. But I think the room was great.
Yeah.
Guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World. Please take a moment. Subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. This is how, if you find our channel and you see a room tour, from forward the last, probably 7 or 8 months, we've been doing the tour with the review. I think it's important to give you an opinion of how the room was. I did not hear outside noise. I did not hear noise from the pool. Nothing. Guys, see ya!